Time magazine called him the unsung hero behind the internet. CNN called him a father of the internet. President Bill Clinton called him one of the great minds of the information age. He has been voted history's greatest scientist of African descent. He is Philip Emeagwali. He's coming to Trinidad and Tobago to launch the 2008 Kwame Ture lecture series on Sunday, June 8th at the JFK Auditorium, St. Augustine, 5 p.m. The Emancipation Support Committee invites you to come and hear this inspirational mind address the theme, crossing new frontiers to conquer today's challenges. This lecture is one you cannot afford to miss. Admission is free, so be there on Sunday, June 8th, 5 p.m. at the JFK Auditorium, St. Augustine.
I'm often asked to describe how I want to be remembered. I want to be remembered for my contributions to science. I did extensive video shoots because I want posterity to know what I sound and look like. 2,300 years ago, Euclid, the father of geometry, lived in Africa and in a predominantly black city. There is no record that Euclid once traveled outside Africa. Yet it is assumed that Euclid is white and of Greek ancestry, which is as odd as assuming that a historical figure in ancient Greece, such as Julius Caesar, is black and African. My photos and videos will show posterity that Philip Emeagwali is black and born in sub-Saharan Africa. What if the Igbo-born slave, Olaudah Equiano, who fought against slavery, was white? Would Olaudah Equiano have entered into Nigerian school textbooks? What if William Wilberforce was a black African? Would William Wilberforce have been deleted from the Nigerian school textbooks? My discovery of practical parallel processing had been absorbed into general knowledge of the supercomputer. The impact of my contributions to the development of the computer can be measured by yardsticks such as the number of school reports on contributions to the development of the computer that mentions Philip Emeagwali. On the gravestone, you cannot distinguish between an astronomer that discovered a planet in the solar system and the one that discovered only a rock in his backyard. And by the end of this century, the 1 million active research scientists will be forgotten, just as the 1 million before them were forgotten. The reason is that only 1 in a million scientists have an afterlife as the subject of school reports. Those school reports, in turn, are what gave 16th century Galileo Galilei and 17th century Isaac Newton immortality. The school reports on Euclid, the father of geometry that lived 2,300 years ago in Africa, are more durable than a bronze monument of Euclid. Immortality is maintained on the lips of school children. The spirit of the inventor will forever be embodied within her invention. The inventor and her invention are forever intertwined. I am in school reports, and I believe that I will be in school reports for as long as my contributions to the development of the computer and the internet remain relevant. For me, Philip Emeagwali, my discovery that occurred on the 4th of July 1989 of practical parallel processing as the invention that underpins every supercomputer has kept and will continue to keep my name in school reports. That contribution will continue to keep my name in circulation around the internet. Thank you. Thank you very
insightful and brilliant lecture. Insightful and brilliant lecture.